In this video, we are going to discuss about the toric transposition. Why we do toric transposition? Number one, to convert a prescription into more suitable format according to the patient's need. And number two, to convert a lens prescription into specific manufacturable form, allowing the laboratories to create accurate lenses. Suppose we have a prescription right here. This is the prescription that we have. But remember, for the toric transposition, we will need the base curve. So here's our base curve. We have got our prescription and we have got our base curve. Now the number one step that you have to check whether the sign of the cylinder in the prescription and the sign of the base curve is same or not. You can see clearly that the cylinder is in minus form but the base curve is in plus form. So what we are going to do is we are going to make sure that the sign of the cylinder and the base curve is same, and for that we are going to do simple transposition. Now we will do the simple transposition. We will simply do the simple transposition. There are three steps of simple transposition. First of all, add sphere and cylinder. Sphere, which is 5 diopter, and cylinder, which is -3 diopter, and we will have plus 2.0 diopter sphere. This is the sphere. Now for the cylinder, we will have to change the sign of cylinder. As cylinder is in minus form, so we will change the sign of cylinder for its simple transposition. So it will be 3 diopter. Apologies for this. As the x's are less than 90 degrees, so we will add 90 in this, and we will have 100 x's. So the prescription we will have will be sphere plus 2, cylinder plus 3, and the x's will be 100. And we are further going to toric transpose this prescription with the base curve 7.0. This is the new prescription and we will further toric transpose this prescription. Step number 1 was checking out whether the sign of the cylinder and the base curve is same or not. As now the sign of cylinder and the base curve is same, so we will move on to the second step. This is the formula to find out our new sphere. Sphere is plus 2 diopter and the base curve is 7 diopter, so we will left with -5 diopter sphere. This is our new sphere. And for the new cylinder, which is step number 3, in this there is new cylinder. For the new cylinder, we will add the cylinder and the base curve. So our cylinder is plus 3 and the base curve is 7. So our new cylinder will be 10 diopter. The last step, step number 4, which is to find out the axis for base curve. And to find out the axis for base curve, what we will do, we will use this axis. This axis, the axis of our transposed prescription, which is 100 diopters. So the axes are greater than 90 degree, so we will subtract 90 from it and we will left with 10. So this is the axis of our base curve. Now the final step, or to write down the prescription for the toric transposition, we will follow this. New sphere, new cylinder, base curve, and the axis for base curve. So we will put the values in this. So as our new sphere is -5 diopter, our new cylinder is 10, and the axis for the cylinder are 100 degree. The axis for the cylinder are 100 degree. So here we will have 100 degree, this is cylinder. And what is our base curve? Our base curve is 7. So here we have 7. And what are the axes for base curve? It's 10. So this is our final toric transposed prescription.